Hi, I'm Matt Konecky, and I'm going to give you 5 big mistakes that you can make while interviewing a criminal defense attorney. So number 5 is, you ask them the question, are you any good? Because let's face it, what attorney is going to tell you to your face, I'm no good, hire the guy down the street? But this is a question I get all the time when I consult with people or even passing in the street. It's a waste of your time and it's a wasted question. So number 4, if you ask, are you friends with the prosecutor or the judge? This could lead you down a road that you do not want to go down. Because if you think that you're going to get a better offer or a better result because this attorney is friends with a judge or a prosecutor, you're sadly mistaken. Now, every attorney who works in the county regularly is going to have a friendly or should have a cordial relationship with both the prosecutor and the judge. And you should have that. So don't mistake that cordial relationship with friendship. And don't mistake the fact that they may be friends that you are going to get the benefit of that friendship. Because if a prosecutor gives you a better deal than somebody else just on mere friendships with your attorneys, they're subjecting themselves to prosecutorial misconduct and all sorts of issues with the bar. So again, that's a mistake that you can make in your interview process. Number 3, expecting a free consultation. Now, if you've been searching for an attorney, every website says free consultation. Or you get a letter from an attorney after you've been arrested that says free consultation. Don't expect that to be a complete overview of your case, because you're not going to get it. Most of the time, a free consultation is a solicitation to give you a commercial about what they can do for you. It's going to be short in manner, and if you're not serious about hiring this attorney, you're certainly not going to get any kind of value out of the time in speaking with that attorney. So don't expect a free consultation to give you all the keys to your case. Number 2, asking an attorney what their record is. Again, this is another question that can lead you down a rabbit hole that you do not want to go down. Any criminal defense attorney who's got years of experience could handle hundreds, if not thousands, of cases. Now, there's studies showing that 90 to 95% of cases don't go to trial. So you may have 1,000 cases and 90% didn't go to trial. They could be dismissals, which could be wins. They could be plea bargains, which could be wins or losses. Because at the end of the day, if a client takes a plea and resolves to a lower charge, that could be a win. There could be cases where an attorney has advised a client to take a plea on a case they could have won. So looking at the record in and of itself is not as important. What's important is ask them, when's the last time they've tried a case? Also, have you been in front of the judge before? What are their tendencies? Those are more important questions to ask than what's your record. The biggest mistake that someone comes and consults me with is they ask me, am I going to get off? Because at the end of the day, when someone comes to see me for the first time, rarely have I gone through every single piece of evidence. Have I rarely interviewed every witness in the case? I haven't talked to the prosecutor. I haven't been before the judge on any motion. So any attorney who tells you, just leave it to me, you'll get off, it's no big deal, they're lying. So asking them, will I get off, the moment you meet them is the biggest mistake that you can make in interviewing an attorney. If you want to know more on how to hire the right attorney for your case, then download our guide, The Top 5 Things Criminal Defense Attorneys Do Not Want You to Know. It's available on our website, or you can click below.